How to use Mailchimp Advanced Plan properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Mailchimp's Advanced Plan is packed with features, but most beginners miss the mark and waste time, money, and opportunities. The surprising truth is that having access to advanced automation, segmentation, and analytics won't help unless you know how to use them correctly. The first mistake is ignoring segmentation. Many users send the same email to their entire list, which lowers engagement and increases unsubscribes. With the Advanced Plan, you can segment audiences based on behavior, purchase history, and engagement. For example, sending a special offer only to customers who purchased in the last 30 days increases conversions and relevance. Another common error is underutilizing automation workflows. Mailchimp Advanced allows automated customer journeys for welcome emails, abandoned carts, and re-engagement campaigns. Beginners often manually send campaigns or use basic automation. Setting up an automated welcome series ensures new subscribers receive timely, personalized content, increasing loyalty. A third mistake is ignoring predictive analytics. Advanced Plan users can access predicted demographics, lifetime value, and churn risk. Without leveraging these insights, campaigns may target the wrong audience. For instance, focusing on high lifetime value customers with tailored offers can dramatically boost ROI. Many users also neglect testing. Mailchimp Advanced allows multivariate testing on subject lines, content, and send times. Skipping testing can lead to lower open rates and missed opportunities for optimization. Testing variations helps you understand what resonates best with your audience. Finally, some users fail to integrate with e-commerce or CRM tools. Mailchimp Advanced supports deep integrations, sensing purchase history and behavioral data. Without integration, you miss out on automated triggers and personalization that drive revenue. To use Mailchimp Advanced properly, segment your audience smartly, automate workflows, leverage predictive analytics, test everything, and integrate with your tech stack. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures higher engagement, better conversions, and a stronger return on your email marketing efforts.